The size of our law firm now, compared to 2 years ago, is that we've actually doubled. And so the firm has grown a lot, and we would never do that without Esquire in our corner and as our partner. My name is Angel Reyes, and I am the president and CEO of Angel Reyes Law. It's a Dallas, Texas-based law firm. I think it's critical to be fighting for justice, and not just justice for big companies, justice for regular folks. We represent victims of auto and truck wrecks, and that's it. That's all we do. You know, those folks, when they come to us, many times they don't have health insurance. We feel really good about the fact that we're helping people that otherwise wouldn't be able to help themselves. Before we switched to Esquire, we had a line of credit, just like we do with Esquire. The difference was it was capped. There was a lending limit. Over the years, it became pretty obvious to me that if we were going to grow like we wanted to, we needed access to capital, and they weren't able to do it. And we were like, you know, at this pace, we're going to run out. We're going to hit our ceiling. We were absolutely thrilled when we turned to Esquire, and they not only turned it around for us, but they gave us even more than we expected. The relationship with Esquire has been excellent, and I've been nothing but impressed with the work that the people at Esquire have done. Their team works with my team seamlessly. They know how to underwrite the value of the cases. They say, all right, you know, let's look at their historic average fee. And I thought that, you know what, I'd rather get underwritten that way than just be underwritten on me. And so that was another important reason that I wanted to see what Esquire could do, and they delivered in spades. We don't like over borrow, but you know, 95% of what we have borrowed has been directly case related. So it's allowed us to take more depositions. It's allowed us to hire more life care planners. It's allowed us to take doctor depots. That's a big deal for our clients. They don't necessarily know that, but we do, because we know that that's going to help increase the value of the case. That's essentially the mission of this firm: maximize the client's overall recovery. Since starting with Esquire, we opened a Houston office, we opened a Fort Worth office, and we are just months away from opening an Austin office. It's allowed us to spend more money on marketing. It's allowed us to spend more money on people and making them, you know, training them and helping them get to the point where they are hugely, hugely helpful. Without Esquire, I think I would be a little more tentative before I ran off and hired a COO, a talented executive. If you're looking to grow and you're looking to scale, you really need to be looking at having those kind of folks help you, because I don't think I could have gotten to where we are today without having talented executives helping me. We have a CIO now, because we do spend $1.5 million on technology. I mean, when you're dropping that kind of cash, you got to have a CIO. His team's now 8, and man, it's really changed things, and it has been critical to our increase in revenue. Esquire's willingness to help us scale is something I'll never forget. You got to have a financial partner that understands your business, and Esquire is that partner.